was doing the best I ever done, ever did. Then I started going through changes, and all of a sudden my days were not as bright. I was asking, Lord, what in the world is going on? Then I heard the song say you're going through changes. Oh, but you say you want to change. Yeah, but in order to change, gotta go through some changes. So I started reading the Word of God, trying to feed my spirit man. Now I know I can't do anything, y'all. It's through Jesus. Oh yes, though I'm going through changes, I don't have to worry. It's in my weakest times your strength will be revealed. Lord, I'm glad you're mine. I'm going through changes. Oh, but I say you want to change. But in order to change, order to